In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do math equations in Obsidian. Start by opening Obsidian and heading into the vault where you want to work. Once you're in, create a new folder so your math notes stay organized. You can name it anything you like. The name won't affect how equations render, it just keeps things tidy. Inside that folder, create a new note. Give it a clear title, something like Math Examples, so you can easily find it later. Now let's type some math. Obsidian supports LaTeX-style math using MathJax, which means you write equations in plain text and Obsidian renders them beautifully. There are two ways to show math. Use single dollar signs to write inline math, like typing $, your equation, then another $. Inline math sits inside a sentence. Use double dollar signs to make a centered display equation on its own line. That's especially helpful for larger expressions. Keep your equation tight to the dollar signs, no extra spaces right after the opening dollar sign or right before the closing one, so it renders cleanly. For our first example, let's write a fraction. Inside math mode, type \frac, then curly braces for the numerator and curly braces for the denominator. It will look like \frac, open brace, numerator, close brace, open brace, denominator, close brace. Using braces tells MathJax exactly what belongs in each part of the fraction. You can put symbols, numbers, or even other expressions inside those braces. Next, let's add a square root. In math mode, type \sqrt, then put your expression inside curly braces. So it's \sqrt, open brace, expression, close brace. If your expression is more than one character, the braces are essential. They group everything under the radical sign properly. You can combine this with fractions too, for example, a square root around a fraction, just by nesting one inside the other. Finally, let's include the classic E equals mc squared. Type E equals mc, caret 2. All inside your dollar signs are double dollar signs depending on whether you want it inline or on its own line. The caret character makes an exponent. If your exponent has more than one character, wrap it in braces like caret open brace n+1 close brace. But for a simple 2, caret 2 is perfect. When you're done typing, you'll see the equations render in the editor if you're using live preview, or you can switch to preview mode to check the final look. That's all you need to start writing math clearly and professionally in Obsidian.